Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this Sapsucker. Basically it is a organic sparkling tree water. So tapped in Canada, and check this out. There we go. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. It is maple water with organic natural flavors, citric acid, and that's pretty much it. So alright, let's try this one out. Go. Okay, so it tastes like it has a mild sweetness, and because they put citric acid in there, it's almost like a Sprite, but mild. The sweetness is way more mild. I don't taste the maple at all, but maybe it's that sweetness that I taste, but there's no aroma of maple or anything. Alright guys, so definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.